Hello everyone, and welcome to our English speaking practice series for beginners. In today's lesson and Tuesday's lesson, we're going to be learning 100 new words. Building your vocabulary is essential for improving your speaking skills, so we're going to focus on some basic words that will help you express yourself more confidently when talking about flying, driving, and other. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this lesson is perfect for level A1 English speakers. Let's get started and expand our word bank together. Think. I think we should go to the beach this weekend. Cook. I love to cook for my family. Sit down. Let's sit down and enjoy this delicious homemade meal together. Hug. I gave my girlfriend a big hug after not seeing her for months. Run. I need to run to the store to grab some milk. Sneeze. She started coughing and sneezing. Act. She is acting the role of Lady Macbeth 6 evenings a week. Walk. I like to walk in the park every morning. Listen. I like to listen to music while I walk in the park every morning. Dive. She dived into a pool. Stand up. Stand Molly up on a chair so she can see. Coach. The coach helped the team win the championship. Scream. The crowd started to scream when the winning goal was scored. Watch. We sat and watched TV. Eat. A small girl was eating an ice cream. Drink. You should drink plenty of water. Drive. So when did you learn to drive? Play. Children play in the park. Shop. I usually shop for vegetables in the market. Shake. Shake the bottle before you open it. Give. What did Bob give you for your birthday? Study. I can't study with that music playing all the time. Dream. I dreamt about you last night. Lie. I would never lie to you. Ride. She learned to ride when she was 7. See? Can I see your ticket, please? Cut. Do you want me to cut the cake? Cough. Matthew coughed and cleared his throat. Buy. Where did you buy that dress? Dance. The bride danced with her father. Smell. The flowers smell good. Plan. He said he planned to write his essay tonight. Break. I had to break a window to get into the house. Close. Close the door, please. Open. Open the window, please. Turn on. Jake turned on his computer and checked his mail. Sleep. I usually sleep on my back. Write. I can't come with you, I have an essay to write. Clap. One man began to clap, and others joined in. Fly. She's flying back to the States tomorrow. Invent. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. Jump. How high can you jump? Create. Some people believe the universe was created by a big explosion. Answer. He still hadn't answered my question. Win? I never win at cards. Cry? Don't cry, Laura. It'll be okay. Laugh. Maria looked at him and laughed. Teach. Neil teaches at the Guildhall School of Music in London. Point. I could see him pointing at me and telling the other guests what I had said. Show. The children proudly showed me their presents.